Hello mga kahanggan, my name is Broker Arna and we were invited by Active Group for the main gate groundbreaking and office blessing in preparation of their new project, Town and Country Rosario. It is located here at Bagong Pook, Rosario, Batangas.
Let me share with you a quick glimpse of what happened on the significant event at Town and Country Rosario. One of the highlights was when the President, Mr. Antonio Torralba Jr., spoke about the vision for Town and Country Rosario and the exciting future that lies ahead for the community.
We are proud to be standing with you all today as we mark an important milestone. The groundbreaking of the main gate and the blessing of our information center here on Rosario, Batangas. The gate we're breaking ground today will soon welcome hundreds of families coming home. And this information here we're blessing today will be a space where dreams begin to take shape. Imagine the life they'll build here and the stories of the community which will start to unfold. Rosario offers best of both worlds. It's close to everything: schools, hospitals, town centers, and what makes it truly special, it's a sense of community. There's a quiet strength here and we want to be part of it. Town and Country Rosario extends municipality also of Padre Garcia, making this development not just a community for one town, but a shared future for both thriving localities. Town and Country Rosario is designed with a purpose. It's secure, open, and welcoming community where people can enjoy peace of mind, meaningful amenities, and generous green spaces. We are proud of what this project represents. Town and Country Rosario is our commitment to action, rooted in experience, guided by values, and with a long-term vision for community.
We will also like to hear a few words from Mr. Sofronio Culiat, our JP partner for Town and Country Rosario.
Kaya ako po ay nagpapasalamat sa ating Panginoon Diyos na ako po ay hindi nagkamali ng pagpili na magiging developer ng aming lupa developer. Salamat po na marami sa inyo lahat.
Stay tuned as we bring you updates on this upcoming community.